Hello guys, on today's video I'm gonna show you how to remove the front bumper on a 2018 Chevy Equinox. It's the same procedure from 2018 to 2024. Alright, let's remove those screws here all along. They are T15. Yep, remove them. Alright, we're good here. Now, kind of loose. Now we're gonna put the vehicle up in the air to take the screws out on both sides. Let's take out those T15 screws here. Here it is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There is 5 of them. You're gonna do the same thing on the passenger side. Now we're gonna pull the rear liner, right? On both sides, there will be a 7mm up there. You need to remove one here. 7mm here, and do it on the other side too. Pull the bumper up. There you go. Now we're under the vehicle. We're gonna take out those 7mm screws here, right there. Anything that attached to the bumper, so you can take it off. Okay. You need to remove those too. All right. On the other side. So we got the bumper off. The moment that you remove the bolt underneath, it's completely loose. All you have to do is unplug that connector here on the passenger side. You pull the red tab out and you push the middle part here and unplug it. And that way you got the bumper off. Sometimes you might have a camera too. It will be a coax cable on that side here. Same location as this. Alright, and that's how you do it, guys. Now to remove the headlight, all you have to do is remove the 7mm. And there is one down here also. Basically you got 4 7mm to remove, and the headlight will come out, and you're going to put the connector on the back of it. And to put it back together, it's the reverse of removal, guys. That's it. Same thing on the passenger side. Thanks for watching.